Alongside the classic version, the zucchini one, and of course the pasta one, the potato omelette is undoubtedly both children and grown-ups' favorite. Stay here, and I'll share a trick to get soft potatoes in a juicy omelette. Let's start. I'll start right from the potatoes that I'll peel right away, with a potato peeler or a plain edge knife. Then I cut it into 1 cm slices and put them in a bowl. Of course, you can cut the larger slices in half. And now we're going to boil our potatoes for about 4 or 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. In this version, we have decided to blanch the potatoes because they need to be pre-cooked before being dipped in the omelette. A second, richer version involves cooking them in oil, and now that you know both, you just have to try them. The potatoes are ready. Let's go and drain them immediately. In the meantime, I'll place a bowl on the countertop and I'll break the eggs into it. Let's flavor them with Parmesan cheese, parsley, and then salt and pepper. You want to be quick here, because if you beat them too much, the texture of the eggs, once cooked, will be too dense. Now add the potatoes, which in the meantime have cooled down well. And to avoid them falling apart, I'll stir with a spatula. Pan on the stove, a nice drizzle of seed oil. I let the temperature rise a few moments and then pour the mixture in. Let's tilt the pan a little to coat it completely with the omelette. I'll cover it with a lid, and occasionally we'll rotate the pan. This way the omelette won't stick, and I'll cook it for 15 minutes. When time is up, the surface of our omelette looks like this. A bit soft but moist. So it's time to flip it, and I'm going to use the lid itself. That must be flat, otherwise even a plate, like a pizza plate, will be fine. Here it is, beautifully golden. I'll cover it and let it cook for another 5 minutes. You can enjoy it hot, but also cold. I'm telling you, because a potato omelette is always nice. An easy and perfect second course for the whole family. Did this recipe make you hungry? Cook it yourself, and then let me know.